This is a series called What, When, Where, Why, where I will answer these 4 questions on a specific topic. Today's topic, the Super Bowl, the annual NFL championship game and the culmination of the football season. The creation of the game was a merger agreement between the National Football League and the American Football League, which were rivals at the time. After the merger, the two leagues were designated conferences, resulting in the NFC and the AFC. The biggest game of the year and the most watched television broadcast, some people consider Super Bowl Sunday an unofficial American holiday. Super Bowl was actually a nickname for the official AFL-NFL championship game, derived from the postseason College Bowl games. The first Super Bowl was played on January 15, 1967, but the big game is currently played on the first Sunday in February. No team has ever played the Super Bowl in its home stadium, and more games are played in 3 cities: New Orleans, Miami, and Los Angeles. A high-profile event, the Super Bowl is known for its pregame and halftime shows, which are usually performances by big names such as the Rolling Stones, Michael Jackson, The Who, Madonna, Beyoncé, and Coldplay. Super Bowl parties are popular in American houses and sports bars. The commercials during the game are highly anticipated and are some of the most expensive commercial spots ever. It's the second largest day for food consumption next to Thanksgiving in the United States. Super Bowl 50 will be played on Sunday, February 7, 2016, at Levi's Stadium in Santa Clara, California, and will be aired on CBS Network. The competing teams will be the Carolina Panthers versus the Denver Broncos.